Here with Dad today in the far northwest of Tasmania, and we're doing a bit of a waterfall tour today, and this is the Dip Falls. This is sort of your touristy option if you're in the area. It's got a nice walkway down to the bottom and a lookout at the top, and it's quite impressive on a day like today with a bit of water coming down. Definitely worth checking out. But there are other waterfalls in the area. They're just a little bit harder to find. And the next one we're off to doesn't have an official name, but generally it's known as Little Dip Falls, and that's down this road here. So this is what we're looking for here, this culvert. It's actually a tributary of the Dip River, and we'll find a spot here to go through the forest and follow this creek along, and hopefully we'll find these falls. So that wasn't that hard to find. We were only walking through the bush for about 5 or 10 minutes, just followed the creek up and found the falls easily enough, and very attractive little bit of forest through there as well. So yeah, that was good, enjoyed that. And we thought we'd come here to the big tree while we're in the area. Dad tells me that it's not so much the height that's notable about this tree, it's the width. As you can see, it does have quite some girth. Anyway, next we're off to Gibson Creek Falls. Now we have no idea how to get there, and that's where our guide Michelle comes in.